Okay, we're going to start from scratch here. So, right now it's unplugged, but it's got water in it. So I'm going to show you here what I've got going. So this has got water in it right now. I'm going to go ahead and just dump that out in my bucket. We're going to take this apart piece by piece. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so all our water is taken out here. So these are the primary pieces that matter. I left out the parts that don't really matter. Okay. Let me make sure that we've got everything in the frame here. Bring this down just a hair. Okay. So we'll start right here. We'll just assume that everything is completely taken apart when it comes to you. Alright, so here's our motor assembly. This is the first thing that we want to put together. Alright, so that fits right in there. That goes right in there. Alright, so she goes in first. Just fits right down in that hole down there in the bottom. Okay, this is our next part. Let's mark this side up, and that fits right over the top. And it's got a relief down in there, so it's no big deal to set up. Okay, this is not our next piece, but this is a piece that's going to be installed. So next we've got what would be a charcoal filter. It doesn't have any charcoal in it. This also is marked this end up, right there. Okay, and then we just want to make sure that's on there secure. So this is our next piece. I'm not sure what this is called, but this goes in. Right through the charcoal filter. Then our clear piece, this is also marked this side up. Okay, next comes our lid. This one's pretty self-explanatory. We just want to put our seal in the lid. Pop it on. Flip this up. And then our intake. These are also marked. This is our intake. This is our output. Now we just clip these. So that's how you want to put it together when you get it. Next we're going to move on to how to get it primed. Okay, so before we run the unit, we want to make sure that we prime it. So I'm just grabbing a cup that I happen to have in here. Make sure there's no dirt in it. Alright, we're good to go. So we're going to remove the lid. Okay. So now we're just going to prime it. We want to fill it pretty much all the way to the top. Oh, hold on. Okay, so now she's good and primed. And we want to put this back on. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. Okay. There we go. One thing you want to make sure of is that the intake pipe right here is completely under the water. Then we're just going to turn it on. And we're good to go. This is the beginning of our trial here. Let me just move it over and show you that we're operating. I'm going to go ahead and run it just like this for 48 hours.